Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to go through the Universal Yums box for October with you guys. Stay tuned. If you are not familiar with Universal Yums, it is a monthly subscription snack box. You will get a different country each month with savory and sweet snacks from that country. Most often you get a little bag of candies from that country as well. That was a staple in every box for a really long time, and then lately they've been missing from the boxes a lot of times. This box I happen to know does have them, so I'm excited. I'll show you why I know that here in a second. This box, there are 3 subscription levels. There is the Yum box, which is, and I'm just reading off here, 5 to 7 snacks, and that starts at $17 a month. There is the Yum Yum box, which we have. It is 10 to 12 snacks, and it starts at $26 a month. And there is the Super Yum box, and it has 15 to 18 snacks plus a drink. And it starts at $40 a month. So I wanted to read off the phone because the prices have actually updated since I made my notes for this box. So I wanted to give you guys the most updated information. Now let me show you how come I know this has the candy in it. Our box came smushed, very smushed.
Yeah, we're gonna have to check to make sure that everything is still
open it up, and that's the little bag of candies in it. So yeah, we're gonna check and see. There's a way to see what should be in the box so we can compare it with that information and make sure we have everything we should have.
Make sure things don't look like they've been tampered with before we open them.
It really looked like somebody stepped on it. It didn't look like, but you still want to be careful.
Yes,
so anything that looks opened or weird, we can contact Universal Yums.
They were very good. Last time we had a damaged product that wasn't their fault. It was just shipping.
No, actually I think it messed up in the warehouse and they didn't realize. It was a chocolate bar that had melted and turned white. And it was fully melted and smushed. But there was other chocolate in the box that was fine. So I think in their warehouse that one melted and they just didn't know. So let's see. Oh, this is Italy.
Woohoo! That's what we got. We got the big scorecard, the Yum scorecard, and different information about Italy.
And well, the stickers are coming apart from being smushed, but there are stickers that go with some of the information, some of the back part of the information page.
Rate them.
Yeah, you can rate your sticker, the snacks, and see how you like them. And it has this really cool booklet.
Pretty graphics in it, and different information and history bits about Italy and trivia that you can go over, and the answers are over here. And then it talks about the products, and then somewhere in here is some recipes, and this one is Tuscan ribollito. It looks like dumpling vegetable stew.
That looks amazing.
Looks like it might be another one. It has lots of ingredients, but it looks like vegetables and stuff we might try.
We actually did make a recipe from the Africa box. We made the chicken tagine, and I'll link the video for that below so you can check it out. But we wanted to see if we could make a recipe we never had before from the Universal Yums box, and we did. So. And
then they have another one. They have a pasta dish recipe, and then like looks like a veggie dip.
These look fun.
And so there's more than one recipe now. And then you've got more information about the country, and then you get your nutritional facts in here. So I'm like,
they started maybe with the Korea box. The South Korea box had more than one recipe. Normally there's just one. So maybe that's a new thing.
I think they've updated the booklet that you get, which is nice. So cool. 2 possibilities.
I'm excited. I want to see if this looks as smushed as it looks.
Make sure it doesn't.
This is a bag of pepperoncino sweet chili potato chips. Yeah, and these are natural quality vintage potatoes. I don't know if I want to eat a vintage potato.
I don't think that's what they meant.
No, but is there any more information about it in there?
There's some information that just says, just talks about potatoes coming to Italy. And potato chips are enjoyed just as a snack, an afternoon snack. So we're gonna see.
It feels very squished.
Does it feel like the seal was broken?
No, the seal's not. This one's fine. There's nothing wrong with the packaging. Okay, actually, it looks like intact potato chips.
They packed them well.
All right, let's give it a try. It has a chili pepper on the front, so we'll find out if they're actually spicy or not.
Oh, I love it. Italian seasonings flavor that you can.
They look like really good potato chips.
So pepperoncino sweet chili.
That's good.
These were delicious.
It almost tastes like it's got black pepper in it because there's a black pepper taste to it, but teensy weensy bit spicy, a teensy weensy bit sweet, a lot of yummy.
Oh, this was delicious. I would eat all of those by myself. And
They're yummy.
So even though there's a little heat, isn't bad sweetness, but the herbs are delicious.
Yes, the herbs are amazing in that.
So let's find our next snack, and this is a really, really,
Whoa,
really
that's a huge bag.
Big bag. And this is pan tosto.
The words on the front are translated. It says crunchy, delicious, and fine tasting bruschetta.
Garlic and parsley bruschetta bites. Ooh.
That sounds amazing. It is a huge bag. This is a 5.3 ounce bag.
That is huge. And it says, founded in 1978 in Torino, Le Mole began as a bakery specializing in Turinese breadsticks. The company has since grown and expanded its offerings to include a range of sweet and salty baked goods. Ooh. So we're going to try this because it sounds delicious.
It does sound delicious.
I like a good salty snack, and this feels like it's resealable. Yep, it's resealable. Oh my gosh, the herbs in this thing. Oh, smell.
Oh my word, the basil.
And you can see the herbs on the bag. That's how bad. Oh.
All right, let's try these things.
Okay, they're kind of big. I'm gonna find some small
There's
pieces.
some broken ones.
And this is what this is just an end piece, but
it really looks like toast.
Yeah, like bread, like legit. This was crunchy, herby, delicious. It would be great with some spaghetti.
It tastes buttery.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's literally like the really good garlic toast or butter toast with the herbs. Yummy.
You get to pick next.
The next one I'm gonna pick.
Ooh, that looks good.
That's not what I thought it was, but yay. This is underneath where it was the most smushed, so if these are gonna be broken, that's why they don't look broken though. This is Pino Mandor Arancia orange almond cookies.
Almond orange flavored cookies. These little pastry, which sounds good.
That sounds amazing. And this is a 3.5 ounce bag.
So there's some good sized products in here, not just a single like serving candy bar. Like these are like wonderful, shareable, delicious.
And these cookies are individually wrapped.
Wow.
That's
these are even
nice.
fresher. And look, they're cute.
These are adorable.
These are cute little cookie.
Yeah, and this one looks like it's a little cracked, but I wouldn't say it's smushed. So the damage we had to the box seems to not affect. Oh my! Seems to not affect the cookies.
It smells like fresh orange peel.
That smells.
Oh, it does not smell artificial. It smells like real fresh orange peel. This is sweet.
I'm just gonna keep eating mine.
The sweet and the citrus flavor. Oh my goodness. It's a slight hint of almond. It's not an overpowering almond. Like I have to think about it because the citrus overpowers what the almond flavor would be. But it doesn't taste like artificial orange. It smells like they put like fresh orange peel in here. And it's soft, but not super soft. So this is good, people. I'm not finished eating mine.
My favorite thing about that one was the texture. It's soft, it's not really cakey. It's not really like a cookie. Yeah, but this is good.
This is green and it looks intriguing, so I'm gonna take it out.
It looks cute. What is it?
And it says it is Pomodoro Oregano.
Oregano?
So let me see, this might be a savory.
Oh, it does say tomato and oregano.
Yep, this is tomato and oregano wheat rings. So this is
wheat rings.
Taralli are types of O-shaped crackers that hail from southern Italy. They are petite versions of the original made from simple ingredients like wheat flour, salt, olive oil, water. They're light and crunchy with crumbly texture. Ew, let's try them. I just like the green and white.
They're cute. Okay, you guys.
Okay, these are adorable.
Look at that. They're like the cutest. Kristen's is broken, but they just made a little piping of dough.
Oh, the smell of oregano.
Oh, that smells good.
Oh, I love the smell of fresh herbs, so.
Let's try it.
We just look under the table and there's a little white fluffy face trying to figure out if we're going to drop anything, but he can't have any of these things, so he's just going to look cute and fluffy. That was delicious. It was savory. The oregano flavor, it wasn't overpowering, but it was just perfect. A wonderful cracker, light but not, and crunchy but not super crunchy.
That was almost the texture of like a baked cheese stick, like a homemade baked cheese stick. But oh my goodness, the savory, the herby.
Yes.
This box so far, 100%.
Yeah, this is hitting everything top notch, like the Africa box we did a couple months ago, where it was like everything was amazing. So like,
yes, oh my goodness, I can't wait. Okay, so I guess
you're gonna go next.
We got another almond cookie.
Oh yeah, crispy almond cookies.
And this says no colorings or preservatives, crisp almond cookies, amarettini. So it's just an almond cookie. Oh, it's not refillable, but these are, I thought they were all crushed. The reason I thought they were all crushed is because they're like Cookie Crunch cereal.
They're like little teeny tiny.
They're that big.
They're itty bitty. Show it again.
Okay, so they're teeny weeny. So these are just a little snack. Grab a handful of them.
Oh,
they've got like a little kiss on top.
Almost like, yeah, a little meringue almost. And the almond flake smell.
I'm gonna start eating mine.
Oh yeah. See, I love marzipan.
Oh.
And this.
The almond just really, really hit home on my.
So these are crunchy versions of marzipan.
Yes.
Cookie meringue form that are absolutely amazing, and I love them.
That is the most intense, amazing nutty almond marzipan.
Yeah.
Flavor.
Like if they could have filled the whole box with marzipan stuff, then I would be happy.
So if you guys have a Home Goods in your area, they have a food section, and a lot of it is international. They have some Italian things there. We actually got some really yummy Italian jelly candies, like fruit slices, but so much better.
So much better.
And I'm kind of wondering, this looks like the kind of snacks they may have there. I'm crossing my fingers. Also, World Market may have some of these things. Check it, if you guys like international snacks and you don't want to go all in on a Yum box, check your area for international food stores and explore your world and see what yummy things await you.
Exactly. Try something new.
Try something new.
Okay, so we'll do...
Everything left is sweet.
I can't read this packaging, so I'll show it to you and then I'll find it in the book.
I'll show you that.
Okay, so this is chocolate tiramisu cake. Coffee creamy chocolate.
Ooh, that sounds just terrible.
Ooh, yes, that sounds terrible.
Oh, okay, so I'm just going to show you. It looks like a chocolate coating snack cake.
Oh, look at the pretty swirls.
It is really pretty. Here, we're going to cut a piece of it off. This is what it looks like on the inside. It looks like a layer with a filling. And we're going to each try a bite of this. Oh, it smells chocolatey.
I taste the chocolate, a little bit coffee, liqueur almost flavor to it.
I just got that.
Yeah, it definitely has that coffee liqueur flavor to it. And the chocolate is good. The sponge is so soft,
it's
and the
very
filling
moist.
is creamy. It is good. It's rich. So I'm glad it's just a small one to get little bites up.
I had that little bitty taste, so I didn't at first taste anything but just a plain chocolate snack cake. But after a minute, it really, I could taste all the flavors, and it's yummy. It's good. So this is our next item, is a chocolate hazelnut bar.
Ooh, yummy. Can't go wrong with chocolate hazelnut, people.
And it is wrapped, and it is not broken. Yummy. I'm just going to give us a square. I think that the hazelnut must be ground up. There's not like chunks of hazelnut in this. That was really good. There was not whole bits of hazelnut at all. I kind of expected it to be a Nutella flavor, hazelnut chocolate, but it was a stronger chocolate taste, and the hazelnut was a little less to me. It was really good though, really yummy. It's milk chocolate, hazelnut, cannot go wrong. What did you think?
Yeah, it tasted like the chocolate bars we get with hazelnut, real like whole hazelnuts in it. When you crunch it, and you get that hazelnut. So it's not like the Nutella flavor, but it's definitely hazelnut chocolate. But this is soft and creamy and delicious.
Very yummy. Okay, so we may be actually missing an item in this box. We'll have to verify. Just I'll show you what we might have should have had.
It looks like there was one other item we should have had that's not in here because we've gotten everything else, and it was a chocolate pistachio bar, which I would have loved to have because I like pistachio too. So we'll have to look into it and then let them know our box came damaged and that we're missing an item out of it.
Hey everybody, I have an update from this video and what was missing. We were missing the pistachio candy bar I'll show you here in the corner, and they are sending it to me, which they were very quick to get. Once we knew exactly what I was missing, they were quick on it. It's already shipping, it's already on its way to me. I will be getting that candy bar. I want to give you the update on that and we'll move on with the rest of our video. Bye. But we did get our Yum bag. They just put little candies in a plastic bag.
And these are going to be assorted flavored chewy candies.
Okay. Hold out your hands.
An orange. Well, this one's different. You got the chewy.
Oh, okay.
So I've got 1 orange and 3 lemon of these hard. These feel like hard chewy candies. We'll find out when we open one.
And I got 3 pink ones and 1 green one of whatever these are. They just say big fruit on them, and they are squishy. So I guess we'll each try one of the ones we have multiples of and see.
Well, it does look chewier than I thought.
Mine's a gummy.
Ooh.
Mine is really good. It's a very tart fruit gummy. It's really good. It's like a mixed berry. I kind of feel like I taste cherry in there pretty pronounced, but it's yummy. What was yours like?
And mine was soft, kind of like a Starburst, but softer. And I had a light lemon flavor in it. It wasn't overpowering, but it was nice. And it was a little chalky, but definitely softer than Starburst.
Cool beans. My favorite thing for this box is probably this one with the almond orange cookies.
Those were good.
And the these ones, or the two savory ones are were just as good as others, but this one probably was my other favorite savory thing.
I like this one that tastes like marzipan, and this one was the herbs.
Good box. Thank you guys for joining us today. If you did enjoy this box and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future content. For today, from Beth and Krista, have a great one. Bye.
Bye.